All right, time now for this week's auto history. Here's Mr. Mars.
This week, June the 8th, 1948.
Wait a minute. This is June 15th up there.
This week.
Yeah, but this week leading up to here.
Okay.
Yeah. June the 8th, 1948. The first Porsche debuts as a Porsche 956-1. Had a tubular steel chassis, aluminum body, 40 horsepower.
Wow.
And they continued to build this car in various iterations until the legendary Porsche 911 hit the market in 1963. June the 10th, 1947, the original Saab debuts.
Oh, God.
And they continued to actually make that model up until 1949.
I'd drive it.
You would. Of course you would. You know what that looks like? It looks like from one of those cartoons from the Cars
Yes.
movie.
Yeah. Cars movie, yeah. June the 11th, 1986, a 1961 Ferrari GT 250 California was starred in the movie Ferris Bueller's Day Off. They actually
Bueller.
They had one real car for that movie, 3 replicas. And, of course, they didn't tear up the one car.
No.
One replica is in Cancun. The other 2 replicas, nobody knows what happened to them after the movie was made.
Wow.
June the 12th, 1971, the last Lincoln Mark III was rolled off of the assembly line.
That's cool.
That's a beautiful car.
That is.
It really
gorgeous.
is. I've always thought that was a neat car. And then June the 13th. Yeah, I did. I couldn't get the page turned. June the 13th, 1895, the first automotive race was ran.
Okay.
Now, this was only a handful of cars, and they decided to do this to help promote business and people buying cars and everything. Top speed, 12.42 mile per hour. They raced from Paris to Bordeaux, France in the race.
All right.
730 miles. And, Jeff, for you, this race inspired the founding of the Automobile Club de France and inspired the Paris-Bordeaux race that became very famous and actually led to the foundation of the Formula One racing. I knew you'd love to hear that.
Oh, yeah. It's in my memory bank.
And that's it for This Week in Auto History.
Thank you, sir, I guess. Here's